E-flight-expo, making aviation greener since 2009.
Hello everybody. It's my pleasure and honor to be here and introduce our aircraft to you. Before I start the presentation, I think I need to say something about to let you guys know our background a little bit, because I didn't put it into this presentation. We are from China and we work on electric aircraft for more than 10 years, and we already developed several types of aircraft. Some of them have been type certified by CAC in China, and we came to AERO this year to see to learn more about the market in Europe. Maybe we will go into Europe very soon. Depends on the feedback from this AERO. Our aircraft actually is a series aircraft. We named it Rixiang, and that's what we did in past decades. Hydrogen and electric aircraft and green air mobility. Next will be a short video to present our aircraft to you. It's in Chinese style, hope you will like it. The name of our aircraft is Rixiang. The interesting thing is we found HY in this word and as well as E. HY stands for hydrogen and E, of course, will stand for electricity. And we believe the era of hydrogen and electricity now is on. The first aircraft I would like to present is the RS-1E-A. In China, it's in LSA category, and the dimension of the aircraft, the wingspan is 14.5 meter and length 6.6 meter, height 2.5. The wingspan is quite long, and we have a very good glide ratio of 20:1. That's the cockpit of this airplane, and the electric propulsion unit. For this electric propulsion unit, we can see all the information on the screen. The temperature and the RPM of the motor, also the current, also the voltage of the whole system, which can let the pilot to monitor the status of the propulsion unit real time. This page shows some critical performance. First of all, the motor power is 50 kilowatts, and we have a 35 kilowatt hour battery. It's quite a big battery, and the cycle life is about 1,000 charging cycle. And with this big battery, the airplane can fly 2.5 hours. Excluding 20% reservation for the safety. And the weight of the aircraft, the maximum weight of the aircraft is 330, is a little greater than the ultralight weight limitation in Europe. That's what we realized during this show. This aircraft actually was certified by CAC of China in 2018. It's quite a long time ago. But this show is the first time for us to bring this aircraft. The second one is the seaplane version of the previous one, and they have similar characters and dimensions. But for this seaplane, the power of the motor will be bigger to 80 kilowatts. And the endurance will be a little lower than RS-1E-A. For the first one, I forgot to mention that the battery of this aircraft can be exchanged very quickly, less than 10 minutes. So it means you land and exchange the battery, you can take off immediately. For this seaplane, we also got both TC and PC from CAC. Now the question for us is how to get local certificate in Europe. And this is actually this is an in-process aircraft, four-seater. Now it's in the end stage of CAC-TC auditing. Hopefully it will be finished in this year. The length of this four-seater is 8.4 meters and the wingspan is 13.5 meters. We equipped this aircraft with Garmin G500 and also GTN 650. Also, we have our own monitor for this EPU. The power of this four-seater will come to 140 kilowatts, and the battery is 70, a double to the two-seater with the same life. At this moment, the endurance is not long as we expected, but that's what we have, and also we will do more improvement to both the battery and the aircraft itself to get more longer endurance. The weight of this aircraft, the maximum weight of this aircraft is over 1,260 kilograms. As the previous two aircraft, the battery can be exchanged as well. I'd like to introduce this the motors. We have two independent power units, which means even in case that one is down, another will work well to make the flight safe, to be type certified by CAC in this year. That's three aircraft. Two of them have been type certified and one is in progress. And actually we have two more aircraft to be expected. One is the seaplane of that four-seater, and another one actually is here at the gate of a four-hull. For this four-seater seaplane, we just finished the first flight last year, and we are going to apply for TC this year. Hopefully, it can be done next year. Then we can sell it to the customer. This RS4HE, as I just mentioned, this aircraft is at the gate, is on set right now. We bring it here. And this aircraft uses hydrogen engine, combustion engine. So it's not a fuel cell. We use the hydrogen directly to power the aircraft. Okay, that's all I would like to present today. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
you receive e-flight journal, just scan the QR code on the cover or on the promotion postcard or on the back side of the promotion postcard, or type www.e-flight-journal.com in your browser, and you receive the up-to-date blog site with the latest information from the world of electric flying, or click on the top page and you receive the latest version of the PDF magazine, either to read on your computer or cell phone directly, or click on the link below and then you can download the PDF of the magazine as an offline magazine to read anywhere you want, even without internet connection. Thanks and goodbye.